welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, and this is your March-April Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life kit is perfect for your pocket page scrapbooking. It comes out every other month, and it is jam-packed full of product. The Shots of Life also coordinates with your Flavors of the Month kit. So this is a perfect complement to your Flavors of the Month to have both of those kits go even further and be able to do so many more projects. This month's kit is perfect for scrapbooking Easter and spring and all of your day-to-day moments in your pocket page scrapbooking. You can see it's full of paper and embellishments. So let's go in and take a closer look at everything you're going to receive this month. Starting with the paper from Cartabella Flower Market, you're going to get this cut-apart sheet that has two 4x6 and then some 3x4 cut-aparts. Gorgeous florals, and I love the beautiful pinks and the aquas. The back is a full pattern, so it is a red check design. This one is the multi-journaling cards. From Photo Play Paper Freebird, we have the 4x6 cut-aparts. So these have some large phrases, perfect to start out your pocket page scrapbooking. The back is a geometric design in navy, and this one is titled the 4x6 cut-aparts. From Pink Fresh Studio, Out and About, we have this cut-apart, which is a unique one because we start with some 3x4s, and then there's some long, narrow ones. This looks pretty close to a 3x4, and then we have some square. So these are really fun to kind of tuck in around your photos. The back is another geometric design in the yellow on a white, so it has the triangle done with stripes. From Vicki Bouton's Kaleidoscope, we have this cut apart. That's a 3x4, and then we have some banners, and then also a couple of these oblong, and a little bit, kind of looks like about a 2x3, and then these look about like a 2x4 cut apart. This one's called Beyond Words. Love the beautiful watercolor effect and the bright colors and the designs in that. The back side is a black diamond design, and it's distressed. It kind of looks like on a canvas background. From Heidi Swapp Color Fresh, we have this cut apart, and again, this one has some really unique sizes to it, so you could cut them, punch them out with your punches, do all kinds of fun things with the patterns on this. Then there are some 4x4s down here. The back is a yellow diamond geometric. From Echo Park Easter Wishes, we have the 4x6 cut apart with all of the Easter titles and designs. And the back is an orange and white diagonal stripe. And then from Echo Park Spring Fling, we have the 4x4 cut apart. And again, all of the spring icons, the kites, and all of the spring phrases on here. The back is a aqua check design. So you can see all of the backs of these papers and the cut-aparts are full 12x12, so you could use those on 12x12 layouts or cut them down for your pocket page scrapbooking. So one more look at the cut-aparts. You're also going to receive half a pack of the My Mind's Eye Happy Days journaling cards. So these will vary, but I'll flip through mine really quick. That's Spectacular with the glasses. These are all double-sided and the rounded corners, good vibes only. Cactus, Bright Ideas. Love the beautiful greens and aqua in this collection. Touches of pink. And you can see how well you could pull some of these other cut-aparts into these colors as well. I love the navy blue. So all of that is the basis for your pocket pages. Now let's look at the embellishments. For Pink Fresh Out and About, we have a 6x12 sticker sheet, so these will vary. Lots of little labels, phrases. From the My Mind's Eye Happy Days, you're going to get one of these small sticker sheets, and it has some geotags and phrases and labels on it. You're also going to receive half a pack of enamel dots from that collection, so they're going to coordinate with the Happy Days. For Vicki Bouton's Kaleidoscope, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. So those will vary among the kits. For the Echo Park Easter Wishes, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So it's a beautiful plaid in the spring colors. Heidi Swapp's Color Fresh, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. So these will vary. I got an alphabet and then the numbers. So these are perfect for labeling your weeks if you're doing the weeks or the dates on your pages. For Cartabella Flower Market, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary, but some beautiful designs, and also some of the enamel dots. I'll just do a quick little look at the ephemera that I received. So you can see this kit is really jam-packed full of product that you can use in pocket page scrapbooking or traditional scrapbooking, either one. Just love the beautiful florals in that collection. Your enamel dots. And then from Photoplay Freebird, you're going to get a third a pack of the brads. So they will vary, but those are the ones that I received in my kit. So that's a look at the March-April Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month because it does coordinate with this kit, and also all the other kits available from the Scrap Room. There's also individual product in the store that you can add to your kits as well. Be sure to check out the blog and the Facebook group for inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers for what they're creating with their kits. And if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when the new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.